Now about the thick client, and then we'll contrast it with the thin and zero clients. Thick client is used in business to denote an end user's computer that has a full load of operating systems and applications. Of course, you'll probably just have one OS, but we're focused on business end users on desktop line of business applications. So it could be the Microsoft Office suite. It could be a particular web browser that you've standardized on. The idea here is that it's thick. The client device is thick because it has a lot of software on it. And that's really the chief gotcha with the thick client. It's management complexity. The form factor for these, generally you're going to go for the smallest case you can get away with, a mini tower or a desktop case. Operating system really depends upon what you've established in the IT department as your standard. What's good about the thick client? Well, the fact that the user has everything that they need, at least in theory, to do their work, so they're not reliant upon necessarily an internet connection or even a connection to a server. Companies that have bought fully into the public cloud, for instance, could actually have a productivity outage if they lose their internet connection and their users aren't able to get to the cloud-based resources they need to do their work. Here are a couple pictures of thick client systems. Actually, at left you have a thick client and a thin client, one next to each other. I have that there as a reminder to make sure to teach you about the thin client and zero clients, which are really more the way end user computer is going. Lenovo and their ThinkCenter, this is what's called a desktop case. That is horizontal and normally would be on top of the desk as opposed to below it, and it would be convenient to put the LCD monitor right on top.